Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 7 subject maths topic chapter number 1 integers, last topic of this chapter, division of integers. Dear students, in division of integers sign rule is same as multiplication sign rule. So division of sign rule, that is, it is same as multiplication sign rule, plus divide by minus, so minus divide by plus, minus divide by minus, plus divide by plus. Okay, so no change in rule. Okay friends, let's see properties of division of integers. You see, minus 10 divided by 2 means 2 5s are 10. First of all, we put the sign minus plus minus. 2 5s are 10. So minus 5 will come. And minus number we always put in brackets. 10 divided by minus 2. First number is plus, other is minus. So plus minus minus in division. 2 5s are 10. Now minus 10 divided by minus 2. Both minus plus. 2 5s are 10. Next one, any number divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 means they are not, that number is not defined. But 0 divided by something, that is 0. Remember, 0 divided by something 0. In numerator 0, denominator any number is there. Answer is always 0. But in denominator 0 is there, it is always not defined. So division does not hold for integers, because here you see these all are integers, but here something upon 0 means in division it is not defined. So division does not hold for integers. Dear students, you remember these 1, 2, 3 and 4 rules, right? Now a divided by a means any integer divided by that integer itself. Answer is always 1. A divided by 1 means something divided by 1, always that number itself will come. Now a divided by minus 1, so plus minus minus, naturally minus will come. And something divided by 0 means not defined. Okay, so this you remember. One more rule is there. 0 divided by something, that is 0. Please remember. Right? 0 divided by something means 0. Means you have to add one rule over here. 0 divided by a is equal to 0. So please you remember these 5 key points. Now move to exercise number 1.4, that is last exercise of this chapter, page number 26, where evaluate each of the following. Number 1, minus 30 divided by 10. So you can count like this way, 0 0 cancel and minus plus minus, so minus 3 will come, minus 3 in bracket, minus 3 will come. Or somebody divide like this way, 10 3s are 30, so minus plus minus, then also minus will come. Both are right. Okay. In B, 50 divided by minus 5. 50 divided by minus 5, that is 50 upon 5. 5 tens are 50. So plus upon minus means plus minus minus, and answer is 10. C, minus 36 divided by minus 9. Here both minus is there, so it becomes plus. 9 4 the 4 the 36, so 4 will come, so plus 4 will come. Next, minus 49 divided by 49. minus 49 divided by 49 means minus plus minus, plus put the sign, and then 49 divided by 49 means 49 ones minus upon plus, that is minus plus minus 1. Now next one, 13 divided by into bracket minus 2 plus 1. So according to BODMAS property, we have to count bracket first. So this is as it is, 13 divided by. Now minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. And 13 upon minus 1 means what? Write down answer by yourself. Minus 13. Okay, here answer is minus 13 because plus minus minus 13 upon 1. A upon minus 1, that is minus A. So minus 13 answer will come. Now 0 upon something, you see 0 divided by minus 12 means 0 upon A means 0 upon something, that is 0. Next G, minus 31 divided by into bracket minus 30 plus into bracket minus 1. So now here students, you see this bracket count first. So minus 30 plus minus minus 1, right? So minus 31 by this bracket count first, minus 30 minus 1 means minus 31. Both number is same, A divided by A, so always 1. So minus 31 divided by minus 31, that is equal to 1. Next one, minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So minus 36 divided by 12 means what? 12 3s are 36 means minus 3 will come. Minus 3 divided by 3 means what? Minus A upon A, that is minus A will come. Correct. So 3 upon 3 minus A upon A means minus 1 will come. Next, minus 6 plus 5 divide by minus 2 plus 1. So either we count this both the bracket at the simultaneously means minus 6 plus 5, right? So opposite sign subtraction, put bigger number sign, वो तो rules है ही हमारा. So minus 6 plus 5, 6 minus 5 1, and bigger number sign minus. So minus 1, here minus 2 plus 1, बराबर, bigger number sign, here one opposite sign is there, subtraction, then bigger number sign in answers. So minus 1 divided by minus 1, minus minus plus 1 upon 1 means 1. So dear students, you have to go through step by step. Don't be hurry because this is the beginning and this is the fundamentals. So please clear the fundamentals and then go. Now verify that A divided by B plus C into bracket is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Now dear students, this is what distributive property. In distribution, what? Multiplication is distributes over addition. But now here division is there. So division never distributes over addition. That's why here not equal to is there. Let's we verify this. Now take the different value of A, B and C. Here A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4 and C equal to 2. So now put this value. A divided by into bracket B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So now A equal to 12. 12 upon into bracket minus 4 plus 2 is not equal to 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. Remember, I simply put the value over here. Now bracket count first. Minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2. And 12 plus minus minus 12 minus 2, that is 10. Here bracket count first. 12 divided by minus 4, that is minus 3. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now minus 3 plus 6. 6 minus 3 means 3. Correct? And bigger number sign is plus. So here plus 3 will come and here 10 will come. So 10 is not equal to 3. Hence it is verified. Like this way you can verify. And B, here just now we have done A, and B that you have to do by yourself, that is homework. Now blanks. Question number 3. 369 divided by dash is equal to 369. So what will come? Naturally 369, then number itself will come when it is division by 1. Now minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. So naturally 1 लाना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? दैट नंबर इटसेल्फ वी हैव टू पुट ओवर हियर, और माइनस के साथ है तो ये तो माइनस आ गया है तो इसको प्लस रखने का, मीन्स प्लस 75 विल कम here. Both here 1 will come and here minus 206. So divide by, we want to get plus 1. So हमें क्या करना पड़ा? minus 206 से ही आप डिवाइड कर दो, सेम नंबर, देन माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो ये 1 आएगा. करेक्ट. So here we use that rule. बराबर. Which rule? Here we use these all rules. Correct. Now you see minus 87 divided by something is equal to 87. When it will come plus, when we put that number itself will come, means you have to put 1, but which this is minus, this is again, then we put minus. So minus minus plus, then 87 will come. Now minus 87 divided by, sorry, dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 87. अभी 1 तो आ गया है, 87 लाना है तो यहाँ नेचुरली माइनस 87 ही रखना पड़ेगा. सो माइनस 87 डिवाइड बाई 1, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 87. डैश डिवाइड बाई 48 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. बराबर. नेचुरली माइनस 1 लाना है, बराबर, तो 48 तो रखना ही पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये माइनस रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये प्लस है, तो दैट यू हैव टू पुट माइनस 48. Now 20 divided by dash is equal to minus 2. So 10 2s are 20. So we have to put 10. But you want to get the answer minus. So we have to put over here minus sign. Now here minus 12 upon 4. We are going to get the answer minus 3. So dash divide by 4. So minus 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. And we want to get minus sign, that's why we put here minus sign. Now question number 4. In question number 4 they are telling us that a divided by b is equal to minus 3 लाओ for different value of a and b. आपको a and b वैल्यू कोई भी लेना है, कोई भी लो, और आंसर क्या चाहिए मुझे? माइनस 3. तो देखो मैंने क्या किया पहले, माइनस, देखो मैं क्या करता हूँ, अभी 3 लाना है ना तो 12 डिवाइड बाई 4 कर दिया, और आंसर माइनस लाना है. या तो इसको माइनस रखूँ का, या तो इसको प्लस तो इसको माइनस, या तो इसको प्लस तो इसको माइनस रखूँ. राइट. तो मैंने इनको माइनस ले लिया, तो 4 3s are 12. बराबर. चलो तो ये आ गया. देखो पहले इसको माइनस लिया तो आ गया, बाकी में देखो यही नंबर रखने दो, साइन चेंज कर दो तो ये इसमें से ही आ जाएगा. बराबर. चलो फिर 12 3s are 36. तो यहाँ 36 ले लो, यहाँ 12 ले लो, तो अभी माइनस 3 आ जाएगा, है ना. 16 3s are 48 होता है. बराबर. अगर टेबल आता है आपको तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो यहाँ 16 रखो और यहाँ माइनस 3 रखो. देन ऑल्सो 16 3s are, सॉरी 48 रखो यहाँ और माइनस 3 रखो, माइनस 16 रखो. बराबर. तो 48 डिवाइड बाई माइनस 16 तो भी माइनस 3 आ जाएगा, या तो माइनस 48 डिवाइड बाई 16 तो भी माइनस 3 आ जाएगा. देखो 36 12 लिया, 12 4 लिया, ऐसे 36 12 लो, 12 3 36. बराबर. 9 3 लो, 3 3 9. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि यही नंबर में ये आ जाएगा, आपको फॉर डिफरेंट वैल्यूज़, यानी 5 बोलेंगे कि भाई 5 डिफरेंट वैल्यू लो, 6 डिफरेंट वैल्यू, तो ऐसे कई वैल्यू से आपको माइनस 3 आना चाहिए. सपोज यहाँ माइनस 5 है, ए डिवाइड बाई, तो आप क्या लो, यहाँ 10 और यहाँ 2 ले लो, तो 2 5s are 10. ऐसे तो कोई भी ऐसे ये नंबर बदल देंगे बस, बाकी ये आपको करना है. सो लाइक दिस वे यू कैन डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Now question number 5. Please read the problem from textbook. Okay. In that it is given that the temperature, first of all, above temperature is there at noon time, 10 degrees Celsius is there. Then it is given that the temperature is decreased 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Remember? So you have to write down first 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like that, 10 degrees Celsius, right, up 10 degree. So temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius at 1 hour. सो टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस होएगा तो कितना टाइम होगा 1/2 आवर्स, बराबर। नाउ अभी टेम्परेचर कितना डिक्रीजेस होता है, पहले 10 था, देन इट विल बी डिक्रीजेस 8 बिलो द जीरो लेवल। सो यहाँ से देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 नीचे जाओ। सो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना हुआ, ये 10 तो था ही, 10 ये और ये 18, राइट। सो टेम्परेचर डिग्रीज 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बराबर। और हर एक ये एक 1 आवर का है, 0 to 1 आवर 2 आवर, तो 1 आवर का हमने फाइंड आउट कर दिया 1/2। तो कितना होगा टाइमिंग हमारा लगेगा 1/2 इंटू 18, तो 2 9 जा 18, 9 आवर्स लगेंगे। सो द टोटल टाइम 12 नून 9 आवर्स, है ना। सो टोटल टाइम इज इक्वल टू, चालू कहाँ से होता है 12 नून से, प्लस बाकी 12 नून से नीचे 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस जाने के लिए 9 आवर्स लगते हैं, तो 12 प्लस 9 आवर्स बराबर कितना हुआ 21, करेक्ट। और 21 आवर्स मीन्स व्हाट, है ना। 21 आप काउंट करो, 12 मीन्स 12 o'clock, देन 1 o'clock मीन्स 13, 2 o'clock मीन्स 14, तो 21 मीन्स व्हाट 9 आ जाएगा, ओके। 21 आवर्स मीन्स 9 PM होगा, बराबर। सो एट टाइम 9 PM the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Now question number 6 and 7 from this exercise, that is your homework. So here the whole chapter number 1 is over, okay dear students. Then I will send you the notes, then we will discuss the worksheet, okay, and then I will take the test. So be prepared, do more practice, okay. Thank you, have a nice day.